Rainbow Moonstone symbolizes intuition, dreams, and energy. Origin: found in Burma, Sri Lanka, India, Canada, and Madagascar. Colors: popular shades are peach, yellow, gray, beige, champagne, blue, reddish, or black. Chakra healing: crown chakra, birthstone, June. Zodiac sign: Scorpio. Healing properties of Moonstone: physically, enhancing fertility, balances hormonal system, treats insomnia, alleviates menstrual problems. Emotionally, instills willpower, stimulates confidence and self-possession, enhances intuitive side of mind, grants gentleness. Moonstone: peace, unconditional love, feminine divine. Rainbow Moonstone jewelry at Gemexi.